Game 2 of the hockey series. I'm the monsters and you're the new boys. Okay. New boys start first, okay? It's the first game for the new boys and the monsters. So monsters first start of the career, and this is the first season as well. So like that was the first start, and they didn't get the first start in.
Shoot it in as much as you can.
First one to 6.
Jesus.
Oh! No! Yeah! No, that doesn't.
No!
10, I got it. Right here. Yeah. I'm gonna bounce it off the walls and no teams ever got a shutout. Right here. No, not goal!
I literally helped you. It bounced off my arm.
That was 3-1, right? Now it's 3-1.
It's 4 against 1.
4. That's the goal right there.
No.
Okay, that was the goal right there.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure? Double check.
4-2. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I do. 5-2. Oh, jeez. Behind. Yes. Oh, and that's a goal.
Oh, God.
You suck.
Yeah. You're probably going to win.
5-3.
Oh, my God.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh, I hit off the post.
Oh, God.
Bang. Oh, my.
Where did it go? No.
Oh, bang. That's game 2. Monsters take that one.